Hey everyone, it's Santi here from Gender Swap, and welcome back to Gender Swap's YouTube channel. Now, it's getting super hot out, which means that you're probably frustrated because you don't know where to start when it comes to summer gear as a trans, GNC, and or queer person. So I'm going to help you navigate that today and get you upcycling and doing up some of your old shirts to make you feel more like you. So let's get into it. So this summer, and for most summers actually in my life, I like to rock a lot of cut off t-shirts and vests and even crop tops and sweater vests. So I'm going to show you today how you can make some really cool cut off vest hoodie hybrids, as well as making your own crop top out of a hoodie. If you've got anything laying around and you want to just follow along with this tutorial, go for it. If not, definitely subscribe, save it, bookmark it for a later date. Really fun summer project that you can experiment with at home with very minimal supplies and money. Today I've got two different hoodies. So I have got this one, which is a lighter sort of jersey hoodie. And one main thing that I really wanted to share with you is the sleeve length. So for a lot of folks, having a droopier sleeve with things underneath is quite a look. It's very euphoric for a lot of folks. And for some people, showing anything under there, maybe a binder or bandage or sports bras, is really not the desired look. And most people would like something that fits quite well under the arm. And this could go for any genders or any expressions. So maybe if you're wearing a bra or something that you don't want to show under there, then also having something that's more tailored closer to the arm is your best bet. In order to find the right sleeve fit for you, what you want to do is you want to hold up your hoodie, or you can put it on, hold it up, and see where the sleeve length fits under your arm. So if the shirt is too big for you, you'll find that the seam kind of falls lower down, and that's when you start getting this look. But if it fits really close up to your arm, that means that you'll get more of a fitted underneath the arm look. This is somewhere in the middle for me. I think it'll be higher up than this one. So that looks like a pretty good fit. And I'll show you what it looks like on. Hey, I'm back. And so that fits quite well. It's a little bit droopy, but you basically want something like that if you want it more fitted. What you want to do, it's really, really simple, is you want to cut along the seam of the arm and just outside of it, all the way around, so you can have that cut off look. So I'll show you how to do that now. I'm back. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I've basically cut off the sleeves. I've left the hem, so you've got a little bit of weight around there and you have a really good trim, and I just find that it keeps the fabric more in place. So I'm going to show you what this looks like on now. So there you have it. So this is still a little bit low, but another thing that you can do if you're not a fan of that is to just use safety pins to put on the side, or you could even do a couple stitches there to keep it more in place. It's a really cool look. For a lot of trans-masculine folks, I find this is quite cool. It's a good look, it's a good summer look, and it's a great way to upcycle any old hoodies that you no longer wear. Let's get on to a hoodie crop top look next. Hey everyone, so I'm back and I've got a old black hoodie that's no longer being worn. And so we're going to turn this into a hoodie crop top that can be worn in the summer, or in the spring, or anytime it's sunny out, and you can also wear it with layers. And also just to note, on the last shirt that I cut up, keep the sleeves, because you could definitely make really cool patch designs with it. You can create pockets. I'll be showing you how to do that on a later episode. For this look, I am actually going to do a t-shirt crop top. So what I'm going to do is just cut the sleeves halfway or more than halfway. But what you want to do is basically measure it up to yourself, figure out where you want the sleeve to fit or to sit, and then you can either draw with some chalk, or you can put an indicator like a safety pin to indicate the line where you want to cut. I tend to eyeball everything. I'm just going to say that I'm going to leave about, I don't know, what is that, like about 10 inches outwards to cut it into a sleeve. So let's do that now. Check in with you quickly before I keep going, because I know sometimes it can be difficult when you're cutting sleeves or legs, like trouser legs, to be able to get them even. So what I usually do is then fold the shirt in half and line up the freshly cut sleeve with the other, and then cut along that line. So I folded this up as evenly as I can, so I can see that the sleeve ends there, so I'm going to cut along this line on the other side. So there you have it. You've got the short-sleeved hoodie shirt going on. You can keep it like this, but I'm actually going to go further now and figure out a cropped look. So again, what I usually do, you can put it on. I'm just going to rest it against myself now and figure out where I want it cut. I can see that there's a kangaroo pocket here, so you might want to keep that and just cut off the bottom. So you'll see here there's a kangaroo pocket. I'm sure you can see that. But what I'm going to do is I am going to use the top of the kangaroo pocket as a guiding line for cutting my crop top. So I'm actually just going to follow that line all the way across and cut the pocket right off. This is the crop shirt done. Sorry, I'm in a weird camera angle today, but that worked out quite well, and it's a new garment that I can wear. You can wear something underneath it. So I hope that was useful for you today. It was really quick, really DIY. In the future, when I get a bit more tech savvy, I will be able to actually show you a step-by-step tutorial and show you more images. But for now, this is what you get. Hope this was useful. I hope this inspired you. Go check out the rest of my DIY tutorials on Instagram if you're interested. And I will catch you all next week. Take care.